everybody, it's Heather again with Story County Conservation, one of the naturalists out here, and we are bringing back What Would Heather Do? This summer we started a series called What Would Heather Do? If you haven't seen any of those videos, I think there's going to be a link below for you to click on. What Would Heather Do is all about reconnecting, engaging with you, but also trying new things outdoors, challenging myself to do something that I haven't done before or that I never would have thought to do, like being a human bird feeder. Well, we're bringing it back again, and I'm hoping that we will reach even more and be challenged even more as the season goes on. So like most of you, I've had a lot of extra screen time on my hands, and so have my children, unfortunately. And what I'm challenging myself to do today was actually inspired by a YouTube video that my 8-year-old just happened to click on one night. A girl doing animal noise impersonations. And it was amazing. And that got me thinking, well, I do a lot of animal noises for my job, and I've gotten pretty good at a couple of them. So maybe I should challenge myself to try some new ones, or try to get better at some. Or just try to do this without laughing the entire time. So Erica Place, our outreach coordinator, is on the other side of the screen, and she is going to be calling out random animals that I am then going to attempt to do my best impersonation of. So wish me luck. We'll see how this goes.
All right, Heather, we're gonna start out with just some ones to get you warmed up.
Okay.
Okay? Cat.
Okay, so my cat was mad all the time. I don't do half cats.
Cow. Pretty good. Elephant. Monkey. Horse. Very good. All right, we're jumping into Iowa animals now.
Ooh, the natives.
The natives.
Okay.
Crow. Vulture.
They don't make any noise.
Mourning dove. Great horned owl. Coyote. Toad. Very good. Robin.
Oh, Robin. I don't know if I can whistle.
Mallard.
Quack, 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 quack.
Screech owl.
Oh, I need some water. To do a screech owl, I always need a wet mouth.
Barred owl.
That was my favorite.
Pileated woodpecker.
It's really loud in here. Sorry, Elizabeth.
Turkey.
Wait.
Great blue heron. That's pretty good. The finale.
Uh-oh.
Peacock.
I grew up near a peacock farm. Some of them are really bad. I encourage you, please Google anyone that threw you off and tell me how I did. Tell me if you think I could have done it better. Maybe you could film yourself doing one if you can do it better, or if there's an animal that Erica didn't ask us to do, maybe you could film it and post it in the comments, because I would love to learn how to do animal calls better and how to do different animal calls. So make sure you do your research, tell me how I did, and also if you have any new ideas on what you would like me to attempt to do, please also put those in the comments so that way we can kick this series back off with a frenzy.